Deep within the emerald heart of South America lies a realm of breathtaking secrets, where sunlight pierces ancient canopies, rivers wind like silver veins, and life bursts forth in forms stranger and more spectacular than anywhere else on Earth. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the planet's ultimate treasure trove and the stage for our most epic adventure yet. Today, Epic Planet TV invites you on a cinematic journey through Amazon's most jaw-dropping wonders. Prepare to encounter creatures so rare they defy imagination. Witness natural phenomena hidden from all but the most intrepid explorers, and meet the people whose lives are woven into the very fabric of the jungle. Every moment in the Amazon is a discovery. Every sound a new story. So grab your sense of wonder and get ready, because the world's greatest secrets are about to unfold before your eyes. Let's begin. Hidden deep within the Amazon basin, two rivers flow side by side, one inky black, the other crystal clear. Blackwater creeks, stained by decaying leaves, create mysterious tea-colored channels where sunlight barely penetrates. Just meters away, clear water streams shimmer with vibrant aquatic life. The contrast is so dramatic, it looks like nature drew a line between two worlds. These rivers rarely mix, and each supports its own unique ecosystem. Imagine gliding in a canoe, watching the water transform beneath you. One side dark and enigmatic, the other sparkling and alive. This breathtaking phenomenon is a living laboratory of evolution, and it's just the beginning of the Amazon's hidden wonders. For half the year, vast stretches of the Amazon vanish underwater, transforming ancient forests into surreal aquatic realms. Welcome to the Agapo, where blackwater rivers flood the jungle, submerging twisted trunks and tangled roots. Fish dart between branches, pink dolphins hunt in the shadows, and sunlight filters down in golden shafts, painting an otherworldly landscape. Every tree here has adapted to survive months beneath the surface. It's a place where land and water merge, creating a haven for creatures found nowhere else on Earth. The Igapo isn't just a flooded forest. It's a secret world that pulses with life, waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path, and you'll stumble upon the ghostly beauty of the Campinarana. a rare Amazonian forest growing on dazzling white sand. Unlike the lush, dense jungle, these forests are open, sunlit, and almost surreal. The nutrient-poor soil means only the toughest plants survive, resulting in bizarre, stunted trees and bursts of colorful orchids. Strange lizards and elusive birds thrive here, perfectly adapted to the harsh environment. It's a landscape that feels more like a lost world than a rainforest, and most travelers have never heard of it. The Campina is a hidden masterpiece, fragile, unique, and full of surprises. Imagine drifting down a moonlit river when suddenly you spot a floating platter the size of a dinner table. This is the giant water lily, queen of the Amazon's waterways. Its leaves can reach over 6 feet across, strong enough to support a small child. At night, the lilies bloom in a spectacle of white and pink, attracting beetles with their intoxicating fragrance. But this beauty is also a master of survival. Its upturned edges fend off hungry fish, while its roots anchor deep in the muddy riverbed. The giant water lily is more than a botanical marvel. It's a living legend of the Amazon. In the heart of the rainforest, a silent battle unfolds. A tiny fig seed lands high in a tree, and its roots begin a slow-motion takeover. Over years, the strangler fig weaves a lattice of roots around its host, eventually engulfing and outcompeting it for sunlight. The original tree dies, leaving behind a hollow tower of living wood. These eerie structures become skyscrapers for wildlife, offering shelter to bats, birds, and insects. The strangler fig's ruthless strategy is one of the Amazon's most astonishing survival stories, a reminder that in this jungle, even the mightiest giants can fall to a patient invader. When darkness falls in the Amazon, the forest floor comes alive with an eerie magical glow, thanks to bioluminescent mushrooms. These rare fungi emit a soft green light, turning rotting logs and leaf litter into a natural wonderland that looks straight out of a dream. Scientists believe this glow attracts insects, which help the mushrooms spread their spores in the pitch-black jungle. For those lucky enough to witness it, the sight is unforgettable, a living constellation beneath the towering trees. Local legends say these glowing mushrooms are spirits guiding travelers through the night, Whether you see them as science or magic, bioluminescent mushrooms are one of the Amazon's most enchanting secrets. Six wonders in, and the Amazon's secrets just keep getting wilder. If these hidden gems are lighting up your imagination, tap that like button and let's keep this journey glowing. High in the canopy, the Cecropia tree and Azteca ants share one of nature's most fascinating alliances. The Cecropia provides hollow stems, perfect homes for the ants, and even produces sugary snacks just for them. In return, Azteca ants fiercely defend their tree, swarming out to attack any intruder, from hungry caterpillars to strangling vines. This partnership is so effective that Cecropia trees with ant colonies grow faster and healthier than those without. It's a living fortress where each partner's survival depends on the other. The Cecropia and Azteca ants prove that in the Amazon, teamwork can be the difference between thriving and disappearing. Slicing through winding rivers, giant river otters are the Amazon's playful yet formidable apex predators. These sleek mammals can reach up to 6 feet long and live in tight-knit family groups, communicating with an incredible range of whistles, chirps, and barks. Watch as they hunt together, herding fish into shallow waters before feasting with powerful jaws. Their social bonds are strong. Family members groom, play, and even sleep, piled together for protection. But don't be fooled by their charm. They'll fiercely defend their territory from caimans and even anacondas. Encountering a giant river otter in the wild is a rare privilege and a true highlight of Amazon exploration. Lurking beneath the surface, the arapaima is a living relic, one of the world's largest freshwater fish, growing up to 10 feet long. With thick, armor-like scales and a powerful tail, this ancient giant has survived virtually unchanged for millions of years. The arapaima's most astonishing feature is its ability to breathe air, surfacing with a loud gulp every 20 minutes. Revered by indigenous communities, it's both a prized catch and a symbol of the rainforest's enduring mystery. Its predatory power and prehistoric appearance make the arapaima a true Amazon legend, one that reminds us just how ancient and resilient life here can be. Silent and unseen, the jaguar is the Amazon's ultimate apex predator, a master of stealth and strength. Unlike any other big cat, jaguars are powerful swimmers, stalking prey along riverbanks and even hunting caimans in the water. Their bite is the strongest of any feline, able to pierce turtle shells and crush skulls with ease. Each jaguar's rosette pattern is unique, as individual as a fingerprint. Elusive and rarely spotted, catching a glimpse of a jaguar in the wild is a heart-stopping moment, proof that the jungle's most mysterious guardian still reigns. The jaguar embodies the untamed spirit of the Amazon like nothing else. In the heart of the Amazon, the South American tapir quietly forages along riverbanks, often mistaken for a creature from another era. With its prehensile snout, like a mini-trunk, it snuffles through mud and dense foliage, searching for fruit and tender shoots. Despite its size, tapirs are surprisingly agile swimmers, slipping into the water to escape predators or simply to cool off. Their thick skin protects them from both biting insects and lurking jaguars. As one of the rainforest's largest mammals, the tapir plays a crucial ecological role, dispersing seeds and helping new plants take root. Spotting a tapir is a rare and magical moment, a glimpse into the Amazon's ancient living past. Lumbering across open clearings with its long bushy tail and tubular snout, the giant anteater is one of the Amazon's most bizarre and captivating residents. Its tongue, sticky and 2 feet long, flicks in and out up to 150 times per minute, slurping up thousands of ants and termites in a single meal. Despite lacking teeth, the anteater's powerful claws can tear open the toughest nests and defend against even jaguars if threatened. Solitary and mostly silent, it moves with a slow, deliberate grace, blending perfectly into the dappled shadows. Encountering a giant anteater is like meeting a gentle prehistoric ghost, one that keeps the Amazon's insect armies in check. Meet the capybara, the world's largest rodent and the Amazon's undisputed chill master. These social, semi-aquatic mammals gather in herds along riverbanks, munching on grasses and basking in the sun. With their webbed feet and streamlined bodies, capybaras are expert swimmers, often seen gliding through the water with only their noses peeking above the surface. Their calm demeanor makes them a favorite perch for birds and even a safe haven for monkeys escaping predators. Living in harmony with dozens of species, the capybara embodies the spirit of peaceful coexistence. Watching a herd lounge together, you can't help but smile. Capybaras are the rainforest's ultimate ambassadors of relaxation. We're halfway through our Amazon Odyssey. Hungry for more jaw-dropping discoveries? Hit subscribe now so you never miss the next epic chapter from Epic Planet TV. Beneath the murky waters of the Amazon, the electric eel lurks, part fish, part living battery. This extraordinary predator can unleash jolts of electricity strong enough to stun prey, defend against attackers, or even light up a small bulb. Using special organs along its body, the eel generates both low and high voltage shocks, navigating and hunting in total darkness. Its slender, snake-like form glides silently through the water, waiting to ambush unsuspecting fish or frogs. Despite its name, the electric eel is actually a knife fish, a testament to the Amazon's endless surprises. Every encounter with this shocking wonder is a reminder. Here, even the invisible can be deadly. Deep in the tangled backwaters, the green anaconda reigns as the Amazon's undisputed heavyweight. Growing over 20 feet long and weighing hundreds of pounds, this massive snake is a master of stealth. Camouflaged beneath floating vegetation, it waits patiently for prey, capybaras, caimans, even jaguars, before striking with lightning speed. The anaconda's immense strength allows it to constrict and swallow animals much larger than itself, making it a true apex predator. Despite its fearsome reputation, the green anaconda is elusive, rarely seen by human eyes. To witness one in the wild is to experience raw, primeval power, a living legend slithering through the shadows of the Amazon. Perched motionless on a broken branch, the great potu is the Amazon's ultimate master of disguise. By day, this extraordinary bird transforms itself into what looks like a jagged stump, its mottled feathers and closed eyes blending perfectly with the bark. But when night falls, the potu comes alive, revealing enormous yellow eyes and a gaping mouth designed to snatch up moths and beetles in midair. Its haunting, mournful call echoes through the darkness, sending shivers down the spines of anyone who hears it. Spotting a potu is like finding a ghost in broad daylight. So perfectly camouflaged, even seasoned researchers often walk right past. In a jungle full of secrets, the great potu is a living legend, hiding in plain sight. As dawn breaks, the Amazon reverberates with a sound like distant thunder, the iconic roar of red howler monkeys. These rust-colored primates hold the title for the loudest call in the animal kingdom, their deep bellows carrying for miles through the dense canopy. The secret lies in their enlarged throat bone, which acts like a built-in amplifier. Living high above the forest floor, howler monkeys use their bone-rattling voices to claim territory and warn rival troops to stay away. Yet, despite their fierce calls, they're gentle giants, spending lazy days lounging in the treetops and munching on leaves. Their morning chorus is the Amazon's natural alarm clock, a primal soundtrack that immerses you in the wild heart of the rainforest. Darting like sparks through the upper canopy, tamarins are the Amazon's most charismatic miniature primates. With their striking mustaches, flowing manes, and expressive faces, these tiny monkeys love in close-knit family groups where teamwork is everything. Tamarins communicate through a complex language of chirps, whistles, and calls, coordinating their daring leaps and foraging missions. They're also vital to the rainforest, dispersing seeds as they feast on fruit and nectar, helping new plants take root. Each species boasts unique features: golden lion tamarins with radiant manes, emperor tamarins with dashing whiskers. Spotting a troop is like glimpsing a secret society, each member playing a crucial role in the Amazon's intricate web of life. Gliding effortlessly through the treetops, spider monkeys are the Amazon's unrivaled aerial acrobats. Their long, spidery limbs and prehensile tails act as extra hands, allowing them to swing hand over hand for incredible distances. These highly intelligent primates live in large, complex groups, splitting up during the day to forage and reuniting at night with excited calls and embraces. Spider monkeys are essential to the rainforest's health, scattering seeds far and wide as they travel. Their graceful, daring leaps are legendary, sometimes spanning over 30 feet between branches. Watching a spider monkey navigate the canopy is like witnessing a living ballet, a reminder that the Amazon's true highways are high above, woven through the leaves. In a world that never stops moving, the sloth is the Amazon's Zen master. Hanging upside down from cecropia branches, this gentle creature moves so slowly that green algae grows on its fur, providing perfect camouflage. But its slow pace is a survival strategy. Sloths have a low-energy diet of leaves, and their unhurried movements help them avoid predators. Once a week, they descend to the forest floor for a mysterious bathroom ritual, then climb back to safety. With long, curved claws and a perpetual smile, sloths are perfectly adapted to life in the treetops. Watching a sloth is a lesson in patience, proof that in the Amazon, sometimes it pays to take life one slow, steady step at a time. Deep in the Amazon, a single trail of leafcutter ants transforms the forest floor into a bustling superhighway. These tiny agricultural engineers march in endless lines, each carrying a bright green leaf shard many times its own weight. But the real magic happens underground. The ants use these leaves not for food, but to cultivate a special fungus that sustains their entire colony. Their society is astonishingly complex, with millions of individuals working as farmers, soldiers, and nurses, all coordinated by invisible chemical signals. Watching a leafcutter parade is like witnessing a living conveyor belt, a testament to teamwork and innovation. They're the rainforest's ultimate recyclers, shaping the ecosystem from below, proving that even the smallest creatures can have a colossal impact. When army ants are on the move, the entire jungle takes notice. These relentless hunters form swarms that can number in the hundreds of thousands, sweeping over the forest floor like a living tide. Anything in their path, spiders, insects, even small reptiles, stands little chance. Army ants don't build permanent nests. Instead, their colony is always on the march, forming temporary bivouacs of writhing bodies. Their coordinated attacks are guided by scent trails and teamwork, creating a mobile force of nature. Birds and other animals often follow the swarm, snatching up fleeing prey. Witnessing an army ant raid is a jaw-dropping spectacle. a reminder that in the Amazon, survival is a group effort and unity is power. At dawn, the Amazon's riverbanks explode with color and sound as flocks of macaws descend on exposed clay cliffs. These vibrant parrots gather in their hundreds, squabbling and screeching as they nibble at the mineral-rich clay. Scientists believe this ritual helps neutralize toxins from their fruit-heavy diet, making the clay licks a vital pit stop for survival. The spectacle is mesmerizing. Blue, red, and yellow feathers flash against the rugged earth, creating a living rainbow. For wildlife enthusiasts, a macaw clay lick is the ultimate photo opportunity, a rare chance to witness dozens of species coming together in one dazzling congregation. It's nature's grand performance, staged daily on the Amazon's muddy stage. With their oversized, rainbow-colored bills and playful personalities, toucans are the Amazon's most iconic showstoppers. Their giant beaks, surprisingly lightweight and precise, are perfect for plucking fruit from the highest branches and even intimidating rivals. Toucans hop from tree to tree in small, noisy flocks, filling the canopy with their croaking calls and bold silhouettes. They play a crucial ecological role, dispersing seeds far and wide as they feast. Despite their flamboyant appearance, toucans are surprisingly elusive, often melting into the dappled shadows with a single leap. Spotting one in the wild feels like discovering a living cartoon, a burst of color and character that embodies the joyful spirit of the rainforest. Fluttering through shafts of sunlight, the blue morpho butterfly is a living jewel of the Amazon. Its iridescent wings flash electric blue, creating an optical illusion that dazzles predators and humans alike. When at rest, the morpho's brown, eye-spotted underside provides perfect camouflage, but in flight, it's pure magic, a streak of blue that seems to vanish and reappear with every beat. These butterflies are more than just beautiful. They're pollinators and indicators of a healthy ecosystem. Locals see them as symbols of transformation and luck. Catching a glimpse of a blue morpho drifting through the jungle is like seeing a piece of the sky take flight, a fleeting wonder that lingers in your memory. Hidden among dripping leaves and mossy branches, glass frogs are the Amazon's most enchanting illusionists. Their emerald green backs blend seamlessly with the foliage, but flip one over and you'll see why they're legendary. Their bellies are completely transparent, revealing a delicate tapestry of beating heart, organs, and even eggs. These tiny amphibians are nocturnal, emerging under the cover of darkness to serenade mates with soft, melodic calls. Males fiercely guard their precious eggs, fending off rivals and predators alike. Glass frogs are living jewels, fragile indicators of a pristine environment. Spotting one is a rare privilege, a magical glimpse into nature's inner workings, proof that in the Amazon, even the smallest creatures can reveal the rainforest's most extraordinary secrets. Draped in neon hues of blue, yellow, and red, poison dart frogs are tiny but pack a powerful punch. Their skin secretes potent toxins, a chemical shield so effective that indigenous hunters once used it to tip their blow darts, hence the name. Despite their deadly reputation, these frogs are vital to the rainforest's balance, preying on insects and providing food for specialized predators immune to their toxins. Each species boasts unique patterns, making them living works of art. Poison dart frogs thrive in damp, leaf-littered forest floors, where their vivid colors serve as a warning. Danger lurks within. Encountering one is unforgettable, a brilliant, beautiful reminder that the Amazon's wonders come in all sizes, and sometimes the most dangerous are also the most dazzling. Along the sandy banks of Amazonian rivers, local communities unite to protect one of the rainforest's most vulnerable residents, river turtles. At community-run hatcheries, villagers carefully collect eggs laid by female turtles, shielding them from poachers and predators. Weeks later, the tiny hatchlings are released en masse, scrambling toward the water in a heartwarming spectacle of hope. This grassroots conservation effort not only saves thousands of turtles each year, but also strengthens local stewardship and environmental education. The hatchery is a living classroom where children and adults alike learn the value of protecting their natural heritage. Witnessing a hatchling's first journey to the river is a powerful reminder that in the Amazon, community action can turn the tide for endangered species. Deep within the Amazon's towering forests, Brazil nut collectors, castanheiros, embark on a yearly quest for one of the rainforest's most prized treasures. Armed with machetes and baskets, they trek for miles to gather massive pods that have crashed to the forest floor. Breaking open the hard shells reveals clusters of nutritious Brazil nuts, a vital source of income for countless families. This ancient practice is a model of sustainable living, as the trees only thrive in untouched, biodiverse forests. By harvesting Brazil nuts, collectors help preserve vast tracts of wilderness, making their livelihoods inseparable from conservation. Each nut tells a story of resilience and respect, a delicious reminder that the Amazon's bounty depends on people working in harmony with nature. As our Amazon journey comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the extraordinary wonders we've uncovered together. From the shimmering wings of the blue morpho butterfly to the tireless teamwork of leafcutter ants, every corner of this rainforest pulses with life and mystery. We've glimpsed the delicate transparency of glass frogs, watched communities unite to protect turtle hatchlings, and witnessed ancient traditions that keep the forest thriving. The Amazon is more than just a place. It's a living, breathing world of stories, resilience, and endless discovery. But this is only the beginning. Countless secrets still wait beneath the canopy, ready to amaze and inspire. Which wonder captivated you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let your curiosity roam free. For more breathtaking journeys to the planet's hidden treasures, subscribe and join us on Epic Planet TV, where adventure never ends.